So as promised, this is the first in our series of how to access different 3M references and what to do with them once you access them. This one is for Coding Clinic. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get to your 3M system, and we need to enter an age. So we're going to put in 65. We're going to go ahead and leave this as female, and we're going to continue. Now from here we've got our icons. We can click on our stack of books or we can click on reference. I just prefer icons. I don't know, I'm a visual person. Either way. So let's click on that. This brings up our 3M Coding References main page. And we want to go to Coding Clinic. So here we have AHA Coding Clinic for ICD-9 CM and ICD-10 CM and PCS. So let's click on that. And we want to actually, the most efficient way to utilize this system is going to be searching for phrases, key phrases. So by doing that, let's go up here to our binoculars on our menu, on our banner menu, and click on that. And what we want to search for is, let's say we have a case where we have a donor. The donor is on life support, but when we code that, we're not too sure if we should code it as they are brain dead, but we're keeping them alive, the body's alive, and the cells are alive. So is this coded as a live donor or a cadaver donor? So let's go ahead and put in our keyword or phrase. Now, the important thing to remember with this, and anytime you're doing any searching with these 3M products, or any product really, try to use only keywords. So we want to say, try to omit the A's and thes and ofs, etc. Okay, so let's just say brain dead organ donor. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and go over here and click search, and we have here, what will come up is our matches down here at the bottom. So we have Ask the Editor, we have subject list, but look at that. We have brain donor, brain dead organ donor. Comes right up. So let's double click on that. That's going to change the page behind our pop-up window. These pop-up windows you will have to close out manually. So you can just click cancel or click the X in the upper right hand corner, and this is what we have from the Coding Clinic first quarter 2012, page 13, effective with discharges April 1st of 2012. Question: a patient received a transplanted organ from a donor who was declared brain dead but kept on life support to harvest the organ. What procedure code should be reported to identify donor source? Should this be considered a transplant from a cadaver or a transplant from a non-related live donor? The answer is that you are to assign code 00.92, transplant from live non-related donor. That gave us our answer, so that's telling us that as far as anybody that's discharged as of April 1st, 2012, if you have this type of a situation, you are to code 00.92. Gives you the answer. Nice and easy. You pop out, you put that answer, you code that, and you're done. Okay? Keep in mind that you can use this to look up anything, but remember, a successful coder is one who does their research. Using Coding Clinic is going to be the difference between a successful coder and a mediocre coder. All right? You can also mark things as bookmarks if you want. You can print these. You can get assistance from 3M if you need it. So there's a whole lot of information here, okay? Just kind of play around with it and see what you get, but use it. Use it on a regular basis. All right?